Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sweetie beta.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Smriti.
I wish you a very happy birthday, Smriti.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bob.
Hi Smriti, wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. Very happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Smriti.
Happy birthday, Smriti.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Hi Smriti, have a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday Smriti.
Happy birthday, Dee.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Smriti, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Smriti.
Hi Smriti. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Hi Smriti, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Smriti. Hi Smriti, wish you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Bubbly Dee.
Happy birthday, Bubbly.
Happy birthday, beta.
Hello, Bubbly. Happy birthday.
I love you and miss you.
Look where I am. Wish you a very happy birthday, Bubbly. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, स्मृति. जन्मदिन की गाढ़ा बधाई. माँ बमलेश्वरी तुम्हारी हर इच्छा, हर मनोकामना पूर्ण करे. सदा खुश रहो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bubbly Buddy. Happy birthday to you. I love you. इस बार मेरे एग्जाम में ना तो नो गिफ्ट सॉरी पर अभी ये ले कुछ
Happy birthday, Olivia. You are the best. Happy birthday, Smriti. Love you a lot. May all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tippy.
हैप्पी बर्थडे स्मृति बेटा. सदा खुश रहो. भगवान तुम्हारी मनोकामना पूर्ण करे. लव यू बेटा.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bubbly. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy. Have a blast. Have party.
Happy birthday, Bubbly. खुश रहो हमेशा. Wish you a very happy birthday, Bubbly, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday from all of us.
Happy birthday, Bubbly. कितने साल का हो गया?
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday to the most wonderful sister in the world. wish you a great year ahead, full of joy and happiness. And you know I love you. And lots of love from my side. Party hard.
Many happy returns of the day, Smriti.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bubbly Auntie.
Happy birthday, Bubbly.
Happy birthday, Bubbly.
Happy birthday, Bubbly.
Many happy returns of the day, Bubbly.
Happy birthday, Bubbly. Many happy returns of the day, Bubbly Dee. Happy birthday.
Hi Bubbly Dee, it's your birthday and these 4 lines are by me for you. जिंदगी की खुशी आपकी आंखों में नजर आती है, खिलखिलाती सी ये मुस्कान आपको और खूबसूरत बनाती है, नफासत और नज़ाकत आपका अंदाज़े बयां बन जाती हैं, खूबसूरत सी ये रोशनी भी आपके आगे फीकी नजर आती है. हैप्पी बर्थडे दी, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव. May all your wishes be fulfilled. Bye.
Yeah, we hope you're fine. और many happy returns of the day. God bless you. And we are so sorry हम लोग तुम्हारे साथ नहीं हैं बर्थडे में, पर तुम फैमिली के साथ हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Enjoy and come soon ताकि हम लोग मिले तुरंत और we'll party and just take care of yourself. Alright? Bye.
Hi Smriti, wish you many happy returns of the day. I'm so sorry I'm not there in this birthday. तेरे birthday में मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ. But yes, I'm going to miss you a lot and I'm going to miss this birthday of yours. I wish we would have celebrated it together. But may you have a blessed year ahead, Smriti. Thank you for being that angel in my life. You've always been in my ups and downs. Happiness, success, sadness, everything. Not anyone can make me out if I'm upset, but yes, you can make it out. You know, even if I feel low, take phone call me. Yes, I'm upset. You can make that out. So that's a blessing that I have you in my life. When I say it, I mean it. That you're an angel in my life. Thank you for being in my life, Smriti, because you are that really a real rock star in my life. We both can rock the world, you know. I'm really sorry you cannot make it in this birthday, but yeah, we're going to have a post-birthday party of yours, mine, and Manish together. So we're going to have blast. I hope you enjoy this birthday. Have a blessed year ahead, and I'm going to miss you. And you're always going to be my friend forever, and you're going to stay in my heart. Thank you so much, Smriti. I love you. And yes, last but not the least, you are very lucky to have Manish in your life. And you know, he's very crazy about you. He's mad about you. And yes, he loves you a lot. I'm jealous, but yes, he loves you a lot. Thank you. Bye, Smriti. Take care. Happy birthday.
I wish you a very happy birthday, Smriti. God bless you. May all your wishes come true and you get all the happiness in your life. I thank God that He gave me you as a friend, as a sister in my life, and I would never ever want to lose you. Just be happy, keep smiling, never be sad. We all love you, and more than us, your husband loves you a lot. I personally thank God that He gave me you as a friend, as a sister in my life, and I would never want to lose you. You are so understanding, so beautiful, and so pure-hearted. Just be the way you are, and we all love you. Just take care of yourself and don't get emotional seeing all these videos. We all love you. Just take care. Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी. आई विश कि ये साल आप वो सारी चीज़ें करें जो कि आप करना चाहते हैं. आप और भी ज़्यादा ट्रेंडी फैशनेबल शॉपिंग करें, आप और भी ज़्यादा डिलीशियस चॉकलेट्स बनाएं और इन्जॉय करें. आई जस्ट विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Smriti, wish you happy birthday. I take always miss you. Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Smriti. Wish you all the best. Live a long, healthy, and happy life always. Lots of love from me.
Hi Smriti, here's wishing you a very happy birthday, and we love you because Manish here, Honey I call him, loves you more than anything in the whole world, and you're one hell of a lucky Love you. Have a wonderful year.
Hi Smriti, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. May God give you all the happiness that you want in your life. And a special message. Manish really loves you a lot.
Hey Smriti, wish you a very happy birthday. You and Manish makes a really cute couple, and yes, Manish loves you a lot. And lots of love from my side too. Happy birthday.
Hi Smriti, wish you a very very happy birthday and lots of love to you and lots of luck to you. Enjoy your day, have fun, party hard, and Manish really loves you. You are very lucky to have him, so enjoy.
Hi Smriti, happy birthday, many many happy returns of the day. May you live a long and peaceful and happy life. Love you always, and yes, don't forget, Manish loves you a lot. He's the best guy for you, and yes, he's the best husband. Love you.
Hi Smriti, wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you और तुम ऐसे ही हमारे लिए मटन बनाती रहो और ऐसे ही हमें आपके घर दावत देती रहो. एंड और एक चीज़ बात तुम्हारे बर्थडे के दिन मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मनीष लव्स यू सो मच, और बाकी का तो तुमने देख लिया होगा कि मनीष ने क्या कांड किया हुआ. Once again, wish you a very very happy birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday, my sister. Wish you many, many, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great year ahead. Manish and you, the best couple and the best people I have ever met in my life. Always stay the way you are and always keep smiling. Happy birthday.
Hi Smriti, a very very happy birthday to you. I wish that this year brings in lots of happiness and luck your way. And have a fantabulous birthday. I just need to tell you that Manish is totally head over heels for you, and the entire set knows that. We address him as your lover boy, and you're super lucky because you have such a calm and composed guy in your life. अब सेट पे तो वो ऐसा ही है, घर पे ऐसा है कि नहीं, I don't know. I hope it is like that, and I really wish that the love between the two of you always remains intact, and have a super day. See you soon.
Hi Smriti, wish you a happy birthday. Have a wonderful birthday. God bless you. And you're really lucky because Manish really loves you a lot. God bless you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Smriti. God bless you. And I must tell you one thing. Manish loves you so much. God bless you both. And have a beautiful day and beautiful year ahead. God bless you. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Smriti, wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless and may you have a super year ahead. And मनीष ने भले ही दुनिया में सबको गलत कॉल टाइम दी हो, लेकिन भगवान ने तुम्हें इसकी लाइफ में सबसे अच्छा कॉल टाइम दिया है, because I think you're the best for him. And Manish really loves you. He loves you a lot, and I think you are that lovable that everybody has to love you. And God bless and have a great year ahead.
Hi Smriti, happy birthday. Have a long life, stay happy, and you know that Manish loves you a lot. Yes, Manish Khatri loves you a lot. Take care.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Party hard, खूब पार्टी करो, और प्लीज पार्टी में मुझे भी याद करो और ये भी करो.
Hi Smriti, have a very very happy birthday. I wish कि आपके आने वाला साल बहुत ही peaceful हो, happy हो, और आप जो भी wish करते हो आपको इस साल में ज़रूर मिल जाए. And before I end this video for you, I must tell you that your husband Manish loves you a lot. वो आपसे बहुत बहुत प्यार करते हैं. That's why he's taken this much effort to send our wishes to you. So once again Smriti, have a very happy birthday and have a blissful life ahead with Manish.
Happy birthday, Smriti!
Happy birthday Smriti!
Manish, honey loves you.
Honey loves you!
Hey Smriti, happy birthday. जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी बधाई. सुनो, पता है तुम्हारा पति तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता है. थोड़ा इमोशनल है, मैं तुझे सुनूंगा. चलो enjoy. Wish again, wish you many happy returns of the day. Okay, bye bye.
This is how we do it down in Puerto Rico. I just wanna hear you screaming like bendito.
So happy birthday Smriti. I just sent this very small chunk because आजकल Manish यही गाना गुनगुनाया है. So yes.
it's your birthday and you need to be pampered, not only by him, by each one of us. So yeah, Chuck in, happy birthday, mwah, mwah, mwah. God bless you abundantly. May you live the happiest life forever and ever and ever. And yeah, may you be loved like this forever. What more do I say? I have something to show you. This is a very small chunk. It's just a glimpse of my balcony and कुछ यादें ताज़ा करने के लिए आपको मेरा balcony दिखा दिया मैंने आपको. Manish ने बताया कि you guys had some very good moments in this kind of balcony. So yeah, just remembering your very romantic moments that you guys have spent. And yes, stay romantic forever. You are the most lovable couple I've ever met. Okay, so God bless you. And yeah, what more do I ask? More than the blessings I think I have nothing to give you. But yeah, what do I say? I'm just speechless. I'm just I have no words in my mouth. Yeah, just I love you. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous forever. And last but not the least, Manish is very lucky to have you in his life, and you are one of the most luckiest women to have Manish as your life partner. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sweetie. Happy birthday.